Hello Python programmers, this is Ike. In this video, we are going to see about how to implement the Wigner cipher algorithm using Python. Okay, Wigner cipher is one of the important cryptographic technique or algorithm in the computer science and also in network security. Okay, so the Wigner cipher is a method of cryptographic technique used to encrypting and decrypting the message, and it is considered as the one of the most powerful cryptographic algorithm in nowadays. Okay, so let's see about how this algorithm works. So before start this algorithm, you need to know about the Wigner cipher table. So what is meant by Wigner cipher table? Okay, so I will explain you. So using this Wigner cipher table, we are going to encrypting and decrypting our plain text and ciphertext messages. Okay, so let me show you how to create this table. So the first step is write down the alphabets letters as a row wise and column wise format. Okay, so after that insert the alphabets into the table cells. And third step is inside the table cells the alphabets are written out 26 times in different rows. So the each alphabet shifted cyclically to the left compared to the previous alphabet. Okay, so once you see the table you will understand. Okay, so after completing the 3 steps our table look like this. Okay, so using the Wigner cipher table we are going to encrypt the plain text and decrypt the ciphertext. Okay, so let's start the encryption. So consider the message as ARUN. This is our plain text. Okay, and LITE, this is our keyword. Okay, so using this keyword we are going to encrypt and decrypt the plain text and ciphertext. Okay, so let's start the encryption process. So the first step is separate our plain text like this and also separate our keyword letters like this. Okay, so it is easy for you to encrypt this plain text. Okay, so now using this Wigner table we are going to find out the ciphertext. Okay, so take the letter A from the plain text and consider it as a row, and take the letter L from the keyword and consider it as a column. Okay, so set the values in the Wigner table, the A row and the L column. Okay, and we will get the value as L. So note down this. Okay, and after that R row and I column. And the value is Z. Okay, so next the U row and the T column. And the value is N, and same thing for the N also, N row and E column, and the value is R. Okay, so finally we will get the encrypted message, that is LZNR. Okay, so this is our ciphertext. Okay, so let's start the decryption process. Okay, here we need 2 requirements. One is our keyword, that is called as LITE. Okay, so the next one is the encrypted message, that is LZNR, that is our ciphertext. Okay, so using these two we are going to find out the plain text. Okay, so let's use the Wigner table to find out the value of LZNR by using the keyword values. Okay, so take the letter L as a column and try to find out the value of L in the same column. Okay, so the value of L is appeared in the row A. So note down the A value. Okay, so next one is the I column and try to find out the value of Z in the column. So here the value of z is appeared in the row R. Okay, so note down the R value. And t column, and try to find out the value of n in the column. Here the value of n is appeared in the row U. Okay, so same thing for the E column, and to find out the value of R in the same column. Here the value of R is appeared in the row n. Okay, so note down the n value. So finally collect all the row values. Okay, so the row A, row R, row U, and row n. Okay, A, R, U, n. Okay, so this is our plain text. So we successfully decrypt our message. Okay, so finally we will get the plain text. Okay, so this is the process of Wigner cipher algorithm. So let's see about how to implement the Wigner cipher algorithm in Python. Okay, so here we need to import the module that is called as PyCipher. Okay, so from the PyCipher we need to import the Wigner. Okay, so let's import the PyCipher module. Okay, so from PyCipher import Wigner. Okay, so be careful at punctuation errors. Okay, so Wigner. After that we need to create a variable for the encryption process. Okay, so a Wigner. So here you need to mention the keyword. Okay, so previously we use the keyword as LITE, so the same key I use here. Okay, now we need to encrypt the plain text. Okay, so the plain text I used is ARUN, and then print A. Okay, so let's run the program. So this is our ciphertext. Okay, so we already seen this in previous one. Okay, so the same thing, and then we are going to decrypt this message. Okay, so the B is equal to Wigner. So here you need to use the same key to decrypt this message. Okay, so decipher. So here you need to use the LZNR, the ciphertext, and print B. Okay. Okay. So look at this, our encrypted message and the decrypted message. Okay. So that's all. This is the implementation of a Wigner cipher algorithm in Python. Okay. That's all. Thanks for watching, and keep support me to reach 10k subscribers on YouTube. Catch you guys in the next one.